Arthur C. Clarke once said that advanced technology seems like magic to us. And you might have felt this magic the first time you used generative AI. This amazing technology can talk like us, understand what we ask for, and come up with completely new things. Imagine a machine that can write poems, create unique pictures, program software, or even come up with a joke or a song out of nowhere. It's like having the power to create something out of thin air, which is truly fascinating. But remember, there's no real magic behind it. Just a lot of math and science, and it's been years in the making. Generative AI is set to change every part of our lives in some way, shaping the future. But what that future looks like depends on all of us. Chapter 1. Unraveling AI's Journey. Let's dive into the story of AI, peeling back the layers to understand its workings and how it's reshaping our world. Our journey begins in the late 1800s, with early dreams of machines that could think. But it wasn't until Alan Turing's groundbreaking paper in 1950 that these dreams started to take shape. Turing, often hailed as the father of AI, imagined a future where computers could not only play chess, but also understand and use human language, even thinking like us. His vision set the stage for what was to come, including remarkable achievements like Deep Blue's chess victory, Jeopardy wins, and advanced debating systems. Yet, Turing's work was just the starting line. Fast forward to 1956, and the Dartmouth workshop kicks off, where a few forward-thinking minds gather to dive deep into artificial intelligence, officially birthing the field. This gathering laid out the challenges and opportunities that would define AI's path, from neural networks to creativity and beyond, all underscored by the same year's Nobel Prize-winning invention of the transistor. Today, the power of AI is amplified by incredible technological advances, with GPUs boasting over 100 billion transistors and the seamless integration of vast datasets. This fusion of hardware and algorithms has brought generative AI to the forefront, making it a tangible reality. However, the essence of AI's potential lies in data. It's the cornerstone that turns complex models and computing power into solutions that can transform businesses and society. As we continue to explore AI, remember, it's a blend of model architecture, computational power, and most crucially, data. Chapter 2. The Basics of Foundation Models. Let's talk about large language models, or LLMs, the engines behind generative AI. Imagine these models as new, complex ways of understanding language by analyzing vast amounts of text. This method is part of a long history in computing, where we've constantly found innovative ways to organize and learn from data, whether it's in simple tables or complex graphs that show how different pieces of information are connected. Large language models take this to the next level by using neural networks, which are a bit like the brain's network of cells, with billions of connections. This allows them to recognize patterns and predict what comes next in a sequence of words with incredible accuracy. This is the essence of generative AI, using data to predict and create new content, whether it's writing, images, or sounds. Before, we could only get a glimpse of this potential through deep learning, which required data labeled by humans, a time-consuming and costly process. But since around 2017, we've moved towards self-supervised learning, where models learn from unlabeled data, making them even more powerful. These models, trained on huge amounts of data from the internet, can understand and generate human-like text. This approach, which uses massive datasets and computing power, has led to the development of foundation models. These are adaptable and can be fine-tuned for specific tasks using your own data, making them very efficient and quick to deploy. Interestingly, when we start to think about it, everything around us, from the sounds of machinery to the clicks on a website, can be seen as a form of language. AI has the potential to understand all these languages, enhancing productivity in various aspects of business, such as HR, customer service, cybersecurity, and more. Foundation models show us that AI's capabilities are vast and can be customized to meet our specific needs, opening up endless possibilities for innovation and improvement across all sectors. Chapter 3. What's next for AI? Over the past few years, we've made huge leaps in AI, bringing to life the dreams of the 1950s. Today, we have AI models that are so advanced they can even pass the Turing test, making us wonder about the future. Some see these developments as the start of a golden era, while others fear negative consequences. We've been here before, asking similar questions with every big leap in technology since the Industrial Revolution. AI's impact isn't limited to the digital realm. It has the potential to revolutionize how we discover new things, from materials to medicines, and tackle global challenges like energy and climate change. The key is in how we choose to use AI. Think back to when generative AI first caught the public's eye around the end of 2022. It's evolved rapidly from a cool new idea to a crucial part of business, with new applications popping up daily. It's hard to say where we'll be with AI in 10 years or even in 10 months, but it's clear we should all have a say in its development. The future of AI isn't about a few supermodels. It's about creating a diverse, open field where everyone can contribute and benefit. It's about making AI work for us in the best way possible. Here are 4 tips for integrating AI into your world responsibly. 1. Protect your data. Your data is a gold mine. Keep it safe and make sure it's used in a way that benefits you. 2. Be transparent and trustworthy. Understand how AI makes decisions and be clear about it. This builds trust. 3. Use AI ethically. Ensure your AI is trained on good, clean data, and be vigilant about preventing bias and harmful content. 4. Take control. Don't just observe, actively shape how AI is used in your domain. You don't need to be an AI guru, but staying informed will help you make better decisions about using this technology. As AI continues to evolve, it's essential to approach it thoughtfully, ensuring it benefits everyone. Did this talk about AI get you thinking? Share your insights in the comments below. And if you're curious about what generative AI can do next, check out the next suggested video on your screen. Thanks for watching.